Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about all posting section. You know that this is a your post record in which all the post of logged user will display. As you can see that this is a user that is a logged Faisal Damir, and related to this user all the posting display here. So in this class we have discussed about all posting and all user, these two page, especially for the admin. A normal user cannot access to these two page, so we have to make secure this application at the end. So this template I will use for all posting. You can see that there is difference of all post record and your post record, and there is some in difference in coding or writing a query. I will discuss with you what is difference. So just I have to copy and paste complete page your posting.php page, control plus A, C, N and V, and then I want to save this file with name all post.php. So what changes I have to do? First of all, I want to give a link of this file in a sidebar. When your admin user click on all posting, then this page should open all underscore posts.php. Now just refresh all posting, refresh all posting. You can see that all underscore post.php page is open. Now I have to change this heading all post record. Just all control F, all post. I want right here all post record. And another difference is that difference in query. So I want to say that select all from all post where p user is equal to this id. It means that I want to access only logged user post. I will remove session and also remove this where class, because I did not need make condition. I need all the record. Just refresh this one. You will see that all the record displaying here now. Another is that when I open that all post template, another column you can see that for creator, publisher, user. So I have to create this one only. For that reason I have to, after content, creator. So who is the creator? For that reason I have to after content, this is a cell for the content. Here I have to write creator value. Just refresh this one. This refresh creator value. So here I have to display publisher of this post. So for that reason what I have to do, I have to get name of publisher of post using its session. So as you can see that this is an information I am getting from database as I run this query, and then it return objects convert into SSD array, and in while loop I am getting different information from database table. And now this is the query that will help to find name of publisher. Select all from user, all user, where UID is equal to p underscore user. So this is the creator. Actually this is a creator. You can see that in database p underscore user means 3334. These are the user or publisher of this post. So that is why I'm saying that I have to get name of that user, which is publisher, and then run that query and convert into SSD array. And this is a SSD array in which all the information of user is stored. Now remove this dummy tags, and then in PHP code paste here, and using key. What is the key? You can see that in all underscore users, key is a u underscore name to get name of the user, u underscore name. So just to refresh, you will see that you can see that publisher name are displaying here. So this is all about how admin can see all the post of database from different user. You can see that there are different user. So admin can create post, for example, web development, choose picture, publish, and then one issue is there. So after publishing, admin move to your posting, so it should move to all posting page. As you know that we copy this page from your posting, you know that we have write functionality for this icon, edit icon, and trash icon. Just we have copy, then there is no need to add new functionality for this page, because I have already write functionality for this edit, deleting, and viewing any post. When I click this trash icon, this post should delete, but it will redirect to your underscore posting. It should redirect to all posting. This is issue that we will fix at the end. You know that almost is complete for the CMS system. Create post, your posting, all user homepage, each and everything is final. Also drop down menu for user information, profile, setting, logout. So I want to say that in the next class I want to fix this issue, and that if there is admin and delete the post, it should redirect to all posting. If there is a normal user, then it should move to your posting page. So in the next class I want to discuss about how you can fix this issue.